Did you know that a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? This rapid reflex is your body's way of expelling irritants from your nasal passages. When dust, pollen, or even a strong smell makes contact, your brain triggers a sneeze as a natural defense mechanism. Some believe that closing your eyes during a sneeze is simply politeness, but it's a biological reaction to protect your vision. And speaking of myths, have you heard that sneezing can stop your heart? Totally false. Sneezing is just a quick, involuntary action, not a cardiac event. So next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember, it's your body's way of staying clean.